Value error, I/O operation on closed file. Here, P is a dictionary, W and C both are strings. When I try to write to the file, it reports the error.
Indent correctly. Your for statement should be inside the with block. Outside the with block, the file is closed.
Same error can raise by mixing tabs plus spaces.
Save data to a variable file, so you need a with.
I had this problem when I was using an undefined variable inside the with open, as f column. I removed, or I defined outside, the undefined variable and the problem disappeared.